Hello everyone, welcome to the Homeosoul. Today we are going to learn about the new remedy from the Borix Materia Medica, that is alfalfa. It is an important tincture, or it is available in a tonic form also, which increases the appetite and help to gaining a weight. So the common name of alfalfa is Medicago sativa or the California clover, lucerne. Alfalfa favorably influences the nutrition, evidenced by the toning up of appetite and a digestion, resulting in a greatly improved mental and a physical vigor with the gain in a weight. Act as a fat producer and corrects the tissue waste. Increased quality and quantity of a milk in a nursing mothers. Mind complaint, it induces the mental exhilaration of buoyancy, that is a general feeling of a well-being, clear and a bright, so that all the blues are dissipated. Dull, drowsy, stupid, gloomy and irritable was during the evening. Stomach complaint, increased thirst, appetite impaired but chiefly increased even to the bulimia. Must eat frequently and cannot wait for a regular meal. Hungry in a forenoon, much nibbling of a food and craving for the sweets. Abdominal complaint, flatulence with the distension, shifting flatulent pain along the colon several hours after meal. Urinary complaint, kidney inactive, frequent urging to micturate. Polyuria, and increased elimination of a urea, indicans and the phosphate. Sleep get better than usual, especially early morning. It induces a quiet, reposeful and a refreshing sleep. Then the dose required for the alfalfa is, the best result are elicited with the material dose, that is 5 to 10 drops of a tincture several times a day. Continue is used till the tonic effect is ensured. So this is all about the alfalfa from the Borix Materia Medica. Thank you so much for watching and listening the video carefully. If you like my work, please do not forget to subscribe the channel and also hit that bell icon to get a further notification. Thank you so much.